work for Rooter Hero Plumbing, and in today's task we're going to go over installing a basket strainer like so. The only tools you need to install a basket strainer like this one here is a Phillips screwdriver and plumber's putty. This basket strainer here, before you install it, you want to remove all these pieces that it comes with. First one is this brass nut here, and it comes with this washer. This washer is really important when installing your flange piece, so make sure you don't lose this washer. Remove this piece here. It has slots around here, so all you got to do is turn it and it's going to come right out. And you remove this piece here, and then you remove your gasket. Okay, once you have this piece just like that, you're going to get plumber's putty and put it all around this section here. Once you got it all around your strainer, push down on it, get it nice on there, and then once you got that on there, you're going to put it on your sink. Go ahead and set it down here, push down on it. It's normal. All this extra plumber's putty is going to come out. You're going to remove that after you get it nice and tight. So you can push down on it as much as you can. Once you do that, at the bottom, the order that everything's going to go back in is just like this. You're going to start off with your gasket, and then this piece will go in there. Make sure that the flat part is going in like this and not backwards. So you got your gasket, this piece, and then you got this piece here. And all you got to do is use these screws to tighten it up nice and tight for you. It's really simple. All right, now for working on the bottom side of the strainer, again, like I explained before, your first step is going to be putting your gasket. So you grab your gasket, slide that on there, and then it's this piece here. Again, make sure the flat side goes up and not backwards. And after that, grab this piece here. It's gonna have some slots, so you might have to turn it, guide it, and then once you put it in, slide it to the side. That's gonna lock, and it won't allow it to come back out. Once it's locked, by hand, screw these screws on there as much as you can. And I like to do it little by little, one at a time. You don't wanna completely tighten one and then go to the next one because it's gonna be uneven. So you wanna do a little here, a little on this one, a little bit on this one, and that's gonna balance the way you tighten this strainer. Once it's hand tight, grab your Phillips screwdriver and do this exact same thing. A couple turns here, a couple here, a couple here, and rotate it until it's tight. So this is what the top of the strainer is gonna look like after you already tightened the bottom. Simply just grab it and slowly just take it off. You know, you can grab your finger just like that to spread it out completely out. Just clean it up. You can grab a towel. Once that's nice and clean, that should prevent any leaks from coming down. And that's how you install a basket strainer.